Hello and welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha and today is National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. To celebrate National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day, I'm going to teach you how to make two Disney-inspired peanut butter and jelly dishes from the Disney parks. I'm going to be making the peanut butter and jelly milkshake from 50's Primetime Cafe in Walt Disney World, and Goofy's peanut butter and jelly pizza from Goofy's Kitchen in Disneyland. Now, many of you already do know this, like I love the Goof, so had to make that, and I also absolutely love peanut butter and jelly, so anything with that in it, I'm game. I have never had the peanut butter and jelly pizza, but I have had the milkshake a bunch of times at Hollywood Studios. It is delicious. As always, I will post my recipes in the description down below. While you're down there, don't forget to give this video a great big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that bell so you get notifications every time I post. So I know I said in my Meet the Robinsons video I was gonna do like a toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and we didn't have time because we made that like huge pasta meal and it was just like so filling. Hopefully this will scratch that peanut butter and jelly itch for you guys. Let's get started. So, pizza. Done it a few times in this channel before. I'll link the playlist down below of all my Disney pizzas. This is just gonna be another one. This is a dessert pizza. It should be delicious. We're gonna start off by making that dough.
Easy pizza crust. We're starting with some water and a little bit of yeast in there. Then we're gonna add in our honey, stir that up, let it sit for about 5 minutes.
So this time I'm using a different recipe for the crust. I used honey instead of sugar. It should be fine, right? We'll try it out and I will let you know at the end.
Look at that, once again, nice and beautiful and fluffy. So we are going to add in our oil. Bloop. And our salt. Bloop. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. And now you know the drill, it's time to add our flour. The recipe calls for 2 1/4 cups of flour. That's really a lot. I ended up maybe using 1 1/2. 1 3/4 is good as well. Just kind of use your best judgment while making the dough.
So it's pretty sticky. I put a little bit more flour in there. I'm going to dump it out on the counter and use my hands and do my thing. And here's our beautiful pizza crust. We're gonna bake this for about 10 minutes. And while it's in the oven, we're gonna get started on our milkshake. So let's real quick talk about this milkshake. For any of you who haven't been to 50's Primetime, first of all, you're missing out. That's probably one of the best dining experiences at Hollywood Studios. It's set up kind of like a 50's house. And there's like TVs on the table. And your servers are like rude to you. And they tell you to take your elbows off the tables. And the food is like diner food and fried chicken and meatloaf, and it's so good. Anyways, my favorite thing they have is the peanut butter and jelly milkshake. It is delicious. And even if you can't get a reservation over at 50's Primetime, you can go to the Tune-In Lounge, walk up to the bar, and you can order a PB&J milkshake to go. It is fantabulous. I am so excited to make it at home. So let's try making that. Blender cup, we're doing 1/4 cup of milk, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of jelly. Let's blend this up. So it said to serve in a funky milkshake glass. I don't have one, but I do have a glass that I put jelly inside. Let's pour this in, see how it looks. Well, I seriously overestimated how much milkshake I had versus how much glass, but hey, that's what whipped cream is for. Crust is done. It looks delicious. Let's finish up this pizza.
So obviously toppings on this pizza are pretty easy, just your standard peanut butter and jelly. The instructions said to melt the peanut butter first. That would have been a good idea. Then I took the jelly, put it in a piping bag, make a little swirly swirl in the middle, and then you're going to take an offset spatula or a knife and then just drag it in to the center, making a cool little funky design.
And boom, here we go. Peanut butter and jelly pizza. Let's try these delicious bad boys, huh? So here with my very healthy dinner, my slice of peanut butter and jelly pizza and my peanut butter and jelly milkshake. I'm gonna try the milkshake first because I'm more excited about it. Yes! It tastes just like the parks. Oh man. Yeah, this is solid. This is so freaking good. Oh my gosh, if you haven't had it before and you're curious, like try this at home. Or if you're at the parks right now, like go to 50's Prime Time. I don't know if like with COVID, like the tune-in lounge is still working the way it used to, but like please, it is so good. All right, PB&J pizza, very thin crust. It just kind of tastes like peanut butter on bread with more steps. I mean, like, it's fine. Like, it's not like, oh. But it just, I guess it's like a fun way to get kids to eat peanut butter and jelly, a food that they probably already eat. I don't know. And this pizza crust tastes fine. I can't really taste the difference between this one and the one I use for my other videos. I think I like the one I make for my other videos better. With the regular sugar and not the honey. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if I missed any PB&J Disney treats. I think these are like the only two I could think of. Also, let me know if you've had either of these in the parks. I would love to hear about them. Thank you so much. Have a magical day.